Dear students, today we will see about the oxidation and reduction. The question is, what is oxidation? So, addition of oxygen is oxidation. The second definition is addition of electronegative element is oxidation, and the modern definition is loss of electron is oxidation, or removal of hydrogen is oxidation. ऑक्सीडेशन क्या है? तो फर्स्ट है एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. द एग्जाम्पल इज Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Here we see that oxygen is being added to magnesium, therefore it is oxidation. दूसरा है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट का एडिशन, Mg plus Cl2, MgCl2, यहाँ मैग्नीशियम का ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. तीसरा है लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. मान लीजिए Mg है, इट लूजेज इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड बिकम्स प्लस प्लस. सो अपीयरिंग ऑफ प्लस चार्ज ऑन ए मेटल इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. इन द सेम वे रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी treat H2S with oxygen, then it becomes S plus H2O. What we see here, hydrogen is removed from sulfur, so here sulfur is oxidized. So now the modern definition, we should remember that loss of electron is oxidation. Here magnesium is losing electron, 2 moles electrons, therefore magnesium is oxidized to Mg++. The second question is, what is reduction? Here we see we can define reduction in four ways. The addition of hydrogen is reduction. The next is removal of oxygen is reduction. The third one, gain of electron is reduction, or removal of electropositive element is reduction. The first is addition of hydrogen is reduction. So we can give the example of addition of hydrogen, Mg plus H2. Mg plus H2 gives MgH2. In the same way, gain of electron is reduction. If chlorine gets electron and becomes Cl minus, then we tell that chlorine is being reduced. In the same way, if we are adding hydrogen, then reduction. In class 10 we have seen C2H2 plus C2H4 plus H2 in presence of nickel becomes C2H6. Here reduction of carbon is taking place. So what we have seen, the reduction and oxidation definition. We have seen the definition of oxidation and reduction. You take RED and you take OX. So RED from reduction and OX from oxidation becomes redox reaction. So it should be clear that what is redox reaction? A reaction in which reduction and oxidation take place simultaneously. रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस गो बाय हैंड इन हैंड. साथ साथ रिडक्शन और ऑक्सीडेशन जिस रिएक्शन में होता हो उसको बोलेंगे रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. कभी भी अकेले रिडक्शन नहीं होगा, कभी भी अकेले ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगा. किसी रिएक्शन में अगर रिडक्शन है तो ऑक्सीडेशन भी है, अगर ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है तो किसी का रिडक्शन भी हो रहा है, और उस रिएक्शन को बोलते हैं रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. थैंक यू.